On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm sharing the Healthiest Stevia Sweetener brand to replace sugar. I'll also be sharing what stevia is, what it tastes like, and how I use it. So for this week's contest, we're gonna give away a copy of my Eat Clean, Live Lean cookbook system, which includes over 200 easy and delicious, high protein and low sugar recipes, an 8-week meal plan, and more. So to enter, click the like button to support this channel, subscribe with notifications turned on, and comment below your favorite baked snack food. I'll announce a winner during next week's Live Lean TV episode. So with that said, let's jump into today's question. Margaret Namias at Magnum on Twitter. Magnum, liquid hot magma.
Magma.
She says, what brand of stevia do you use? All that I have seen have additives. I'm looking for a pure one.
Really? What's added in it?
Oh,
Do you know?
there's some things. So first of all, let's quickly talk about what stevia is. So stevia is a calorie-free, natural sweetener that comes from the leaves of a South American stevia plant. And one of the health benefits of stevia is that it's metabolized by the kidneys in the liver, so it doesn't cause a large release of insulin in the body like sugar does. In fact, it has a glycemic index of 0. And unlike sugar, stevia may create a positive metabolic response in the body since it can improve blood sugar management and insulin sensitivity. So this makes stevia a healthy sugar substitute for diabetics and for people following the keto diet, the paleo diet, or just a balanced low sugar approach to nutrition. So what does stevia taste like? Stevia is 300 times sweeter than sugar. And I've been using stevia as a healthy sugar substitute since 2012. So when it comes to the taste, I personally find stevia has a balanced sweetness without that chemical taste that other artificial sweeteners have. However, if you're new to stevia, depending on the quality that you're using, you may find it has a bit of a bitter aftertaste. Now, if this is the case, you should look for a stevia brand that includes a blend of natural flavors or erythritol. This balances out the aftertaste. So how do I use stevia? Well, you can add stevia to your food and beverages without adding extra calories or large insulin spikes. So when it comes to protein powder, I only buy protein powder sweetened with stevia. So I love the stevia sweetened vanilla egg white protein powder and whey protein isolate from my friends at Earth Nutri. It adds a delicious sweetness to my post-workout protein shakes. So if you guys want to get that, you can use discount code LiveLeanTV25 to save 25% off your order. Link in the video description below. Also, when I'm in the mood for a little bit of vodka or tequila with a little twist of fresh lemon or lime juice, I find stevia helps balance out that tart flavor from the lemons or the limes. And when I bake delicious snacks or I buy an on-the-go protein bar, I always look to make sure it contains stevia rather than those other artificial sweeteners such as sucralose. Also, my morning greens powder, which is like my nutritional insurance cocktail, is always sweetened with stevia. So again, I'll leave a link to my greens powder in the video description below. I also add stevia to my coconut oil coffee, and you can click right here to go watch that recipe. But if you normally add sugar to your coffee or your tea, I do recommend you try to replace that sugar with stevia. Go check out that video. Damn, that's good. Now the Healthiest Stevia Sweetener brand, let's jump into that. Like all packaged foods, not all brands of stevia are created equally. Always look at the ingredients list to see what else is included and where stevia is listed within the ingredients list. So some brands only use a very small dose of stevia, then they combine it with primarily like a lower quality sweetener such as maltodextrin. Now maltodextrin is known to spike blood sugar, thus reducing the benefits that you want from stevia. So the Healthiest Stevia Sweetener brand that I love to use is from Sweet Leaf. So this company provides stevia in liquid form as well as in powder form. So when it comes to my coconut oil coffee, I prefer the Sweet Leaf Sweet Drops that are in liquid form. I love it because of the pure ingredients. It has purified water, organic stevia leaf extract, and natural flavors. So the natural flavors help balance out that aftertaste. The purified water makes it super convenient and easy to dissolve. And lastly, it's organic and it's without any of those low quality fillers or additives. This is not a sponsored video, but if you are interested in trying this brand, I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Now, if I'm baking, I'll use the powdered version of stevia. So the Sweet Leaf Stevia Sweetener powdered version contains inulin, which is a plant fiber to help with the dissolving process, as well as silica, which is an anti-caking agent used in many powdered foods. But if you're looking for a 100% pure stevia powder to bake with, I recommend you check out a brand called Micro Ingredients, which only contains organic stevia powder. So again, I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below to check that out. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We appreciate you so much, and we'll see you at the next episode. Keep living lean. All right, if you're ready to live lean, go get our free 7-day Live Lean Starter Guide. You'll discover the workout and the nutrition secrets to simplify your journey to healthy and sustainable results that last forever. So the starter guide includes a 7-day workout schedule comprised of 7 Live Lean workouts focused on fat burning, lean muscle building, athleticism, and mobility. And every workout includes exercise demo videos. You'll also receive a free 7-day Live Lean meal plan, which includes step-by-step cooking videos for every single recipe. So go join thousands of others and get this free instant access to all this, plus our 5 steps to start living lean today. Click the link to sign up for free in the description below. Today's question of the day: do you primarily use stevia, artificial sweeteners, sugar, or other sweeteners? Share your experiences in the comment section below. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here on the 2 hidden dangers of artificial sweeteners.